Parents are always looking for fun and educational activities for their kids, and that's why kids' printables are becoming extremely popular online. But the real question is, what kind of printables actually sell? One of the most trending products right now is match the shape and match the color worksheets for kids. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create these printables and how you can sell them on Etsy. So let's get started. To begin, set the size of your document. For this project, I will use 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Once the Canva editor opens, name your document. Now we can start designing the game. Go to the Elements section and search for jar. I will select this jar design. Next, change the color of the jar to match your theme. These colors look good for this project. Now we need to add shapes inside the jar. To do this, go to the Elements tab, choose Frames, and select the basic frames such as circle, square, star, and heart. Next, we will fill these shapes with elements to make the game more interesting. I will use cookies because they are fun and attractive for kids. I like this cookie design, so I will select it and fill all the shapes with this cookie. Once you finish filling the shapes with cookies, the next step is to add blank shapes inside the jar where kids will place the cookies. To do this, I will copy the cookie shape and detach the image from the frame. After that, I will place the empty shape inside the jar and create multiple copies of it. Next, fill each shape with a white color. I will also add a small dot in the center of each shape to show kids where they need to paste the cookie. Once this is done, I will duplicate the jar and create another jar for the next shape. You can repeat the same process to create activity jars for all shapes. Instead of showing every jar, I will move to the next step. After creating all the activity jars, the next step is to design the activity page to make it more attractive. First, duplicate the page. Then change the background color. Now we will design the top section. Go to Elements and select a circle. Stretch it across the top of the page. Next, add a rectangle at the bottom of the circle to crop it and create a more attractive shape. Change the colors and adjust them properly. To make the background more attractive, I will add some sparkle stars. Search for sparkle stars in the Elements section. This one looks good, so I will add it and place copies around the page. Once that's done, we will design the main section of the page. Go to Elements and search for square in the graphics section. This one looks good, so I will add it. Now make 4 copies of it and arrange them properly. Next, change the color of each square. After that, I will add colorful stars on each square to make the design look more cohesive. Add one star, duplicate it, and adjust them nicely. Then copy the same stars onto the other squares. Next, we will number each square in sequence. I will add a circle and place a number inside the circle to make the numbering more attractive. Repeat the same process for all squares. After that, we will place the jars inside each square. Now we will add text to the design. First, write the main heading. Select the text tool and type your title. For the heading, I will use the Montserrat font. Next, I will color each word in a different color. To make it more fun, I will add emojis before and after the heading. First, I will add a cookie emoji on the left side. This one looks good. On the right side, I will add a star emoji. Next, I will add a subheading and write a few words explaining how to play the game. Once that's done, we will design the bottom section. Go to Elements and search for Square Blob. I like this one, so I will place it at the bottom and change its color to white. Now, add text inside this blob shape. Finally, I will add a few stars around the text to make it look more fun. And now our first matching game design is complete. Lastly, we will create the shape page where kids will cut the shapes and paste them into the jar. To do this, copy the cookie shapes and place them exactly over the blank jar shapes. Then copy each shape and paste them onto a new page, creating multiple copies for the activity. Finally, add a title for this page. That's it! In this way, you can create many unique and fun match the shape game. In this example, I use basic shapes with cookies, but you can use different shapes and elements to create your own creative designs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment.